Your Holiness, I have a simple question, but I imagine probably not a simple answer, and that is, should we ever show our anger?
Cosa? Yes, I think so. A little bit naughty children or naughty student, for benefit to them, in order to stop their wrongdoing, occasionally need a little bit sort of say they showing angry face, not out of anger, but out of sense of concern of their well-being. So anger, according to the system of emotion, anger due to frustration or sort of ill feeling, that anger is negative. But anger out of sense of concern of their well-being, that anger is positive. Okay.